The zero-carbon transition involves finding new ways of working to ensure equipment performance all along their life cycle. When a situation occurs, detection and correction are often time-consuming. Consequently, getting quickly the right information and sharing it with the right people is crucial. This is where our technology comes into play. Combining 3D multi-physics simulation and mixed reality, ENGIE Lab CRIGEN and Synergiz have developed a diagnosis travel kit which brings the physical and virtual worlds together. The diagnosis travel kit is a combination of 4 components: several HoloLens, a protector case designed by Synergiz, 1 dedicated laptop, 1 dedicated software application. As a standalone system, the diagnosis travel kit can run without being connected to any external network. Like a physician using X-ray, operators can navigate through various types of information in order to identify the suspicious area. Technicians and experts are instantaneously involved. They have the opportunity to watch the same information in the same context, sharing immediately the same perspectives. Users can interact physically with the data corresponding to the ongoing process. Dedicated features such as virtual sensors can highlight accurate and physical value which are impossible to be collected otherwise. With an immersive way to manipulate data, operators understand better and faster the behavior of an equipment. Dedicated to support businesses from concept to operation phases, the solution offers new strategies of monitoring and control, driven by core information. With an enhanced collaboration experience, the Diagnosis Travel Kit empowers people with an immediate in-depth access to complex phenomena. Each single user is upskilled. Better decisions are taken immediately through a decentralized management.